Alright, let's continue with the fourth part of the helmet, and we'll use other tools for the hard surface. In this case, we'll use a tool called Slice Curve. We can find it in the brush panel. If we press Ctrl Shift, as if we were selecting, we find an option called Slice Curve. And what it basically does is to generate a line, and everything in the darkened area will become into a different polygroup. This is a really useful tool. And over here, we'll complement it with another tool called Clip Curve. It works very similar, simply pressing Ctrl Shift, and what it does is to it flattens everything within the darkened area. Let's make a test again over here. And let's make it wider. These two tools are controlled the same way. Simply by pressing the space bar, we can move it. And as long as we don't release the cursor, we can rotate it. Let's adjust it a bit more using the transpose. We've got a damage here, but doesn't matter. Let's flatten this here a bit. Then over here. Done here. And now we'll apply a mirror. What we'll do now is, through this mask, we'll protect certain areas, and we'll start creating extra polygons. If we use the transpose for making another piece, what we'll basically achieve is to stretch a geometry. But instead of just moving, we press the cursor in the middle and hold Ctrl. What we do is to create extra polygons. And now it's simply about adjusting it. Alright, let's take this piece, we'll duplicate it in order to get a base for later on. And now, what we'll do is to apply a zero measure to this duplicated piece. I think it should be enough with 2. And simply, in this case, apply zero measure. Alright, we've got a piece with subdivisions. Although the borders are losing shape, but that's why we've duplicated the piece. Over here, what we'll do is to hide all the elements except the two pieces, the one duplicated and the one with zero measure applied. Let's disable solo for a moment. And standing on the piece, we've applied the zero measure. We'll apply another option we can find in the subtool panel called Project All. Under Project. Add another subdivision and again Project. And now we've recovered our borders. I've explained that on the previous course, how this project works. So I'm pretty sure you know how to use it. Alright, done over here. Once we finish, you can delete the copy to get rid of what we don't need. Let's use edge polish a bit in order to make some areas even. And let's smooth a bit the borders so they don't look too sharp. For instance, over here, let's apply some clay. Alright, let's check. Let's make some fixes. Let's mask these borders. And what we'll do is to take them down. We'll generate kind of a slope. Okay, I think like that. Alright, our helmet is looking a bit more complete. And now you know other tools. We have just one piece left, and that would be it. This is it for the time being. See you on the next video.